This is Charles Rupert at Mills GM in Baxter, Minnesota, looking at a 2013 Chevy Avalanche. Stock number is 2B230051A. Beautiful green color here. Couple scratches here. Looks like the standard rust starting down here. This is an LTZ, so you got black leather interior, powered driver seat, passenger seat, heated and cooled seats along with seat memory. Parking sensors. Moonroof, it even has DVD player. It is a crew cab. More rust starting down there. Rear parking sensors. Backup camera. Bed liner mat. Tunnel cover. Got your running boards here. Again, the rust starting down there on both ends. Not too bad for a 2013 though, it's kind of to be expected. Interior is very clean. Once again, this is Charles Rupert, Mills GM.